How can we measure how much fat leaves the body by breathing? One interesting way is by measuring endogenous acetone. Measurements of acetone in breath have been made for over 50 years. Early studies examined the effect of caloric intake, fasting and calorie restriction diets, dietary macronutrient composition, and exercise on breath acetone. The breath acetone concentration was understood to be a non-invasive measure of ketosis. Ketosis describes the elevation of ketone bodies in the blood. Ketone bodies are produced as a byproduct of the fat metabolism process. When the liver metabolizes free fatty acids, these acids are transformed into acetyl-CoA, a molecule used in the production of energy. Depending on the glucose level, acetyl-CoA can be diverted to produce acetoacetate, the first of 3 ketone bodies. From acetoacetate, 2 other ketone bodies, B-hydroxybutyrate and acetone, are produced by enzymatic degradation or spontaneous decarboxylation, respectively. The 3 ketone bodies circulate in the bloodstream. Acetone, because of its small size, diffuses into the air spaces of the lung and appears in the exhaled breath. Endogenous acetone production is closely related to fat metabolism through the intermediary acetoacetate. Acetone moves easily from blood into lung air and into exhaled breath. As a byproduct of fat metabolism, acetone is present in blood and breath of all humans. Breath, acetone. BRACE can be increased by a few factors including diet and exercise. Kundu et al. Performed 2 pilot studies examining BRAC and fat loss during caloric restriction. In both studies, volunteers were placed on a 1200 kcal, low-fat, low-carbohydrate diet. The number of calories consumed was less than the basal energy requirements. BRAC and body weight were measured daily before breakfast. In the first study, 170 healthy volunteers, 0 to 100 pounds overweight, followed diet and measurement protocols for 2 weeks. In the first week, all subjects lost between 5 to 10 pounds of body weight, with more than 50% due to water loss. During the second week, weight loss from water decreased. Fat loss correlated and increased with BRAC. In the second study, 30 volunteers, 40 to 100 pounds overweight, followed the same protocol for 4 weeks. Of the initial weight loss, a significant fraction was water loss. The duration of its impact depended on initial obesity. From the second week forward, BRAC was directly proportional to fat loss. Exercise tripled them relative to the baseline. Another study examined the effect of diet and exercise on BRACE and weight loss over 4 weeks in 12 subjects. After a 1-week baseline, subjects reduced caloric intake by 500 kcal/day. During week 2, added 200 kcal/day of exercise during week 3, and returned to baseline living during week 4. The subtraction of 500 kcal/day of food doubled BRACE over baseline. With the reduced diet and added exercise, BRACE tripled relative to baseline. Increased BRACE correlated to weight loss and trended with increased fat loss. Breath acetone is a powerful tool to track weight loss. As always, have a good breathing day.